Today we solve a question, that is you write the Nernst equation and EMF of the cell at 298 Kelvin. Okay, question is your iron, gives your iron 2 plus, concentration is your 0.001 m, with your hydrogen electrode H plus, gives your H2. This is your platinum hydrogen electrode. This is your hydrogen electrode. Okay, first we have to know in this equation what is your anode, what is your cathode. You know very well, on the left side this is your anode and the right side this is your cathode. That means we confirm that iron is your anode and hydrogen electrode is your cathode. So when we want to solve a question under your Nernst equation, we have to know the common equation, that is your E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by N log concentration of anode divided by concentration of a cathode. Okay, we have to know, this is your common equation for your Nernst equation, and EMF of the cell, to calculate the EMF of the cell. So what is your N, what is your anode, what is your cathode, we have to first determine. Okay, this is your anode whose potential is given below, and this is your cathode whose potential is, you know very well, potential of hydrogen is 0.0 volt. Okay, so we have to determine the value of N. How we determine? If this is your anode, at anode what reaction will take place? At anode, iron solid gives your iron 2 plus aqueous plus 2 electron. That means oxidation takes place. At cathode, here is your H plus aqueous gains 1 electron, gives your H, half of H2. Here 2 electron releases from your 1 mole of iron, and here 1 electron is 2 mole. 2 electron is released from your 1 mole of iron. Here at cathode, only 1 mole of electron is gained by your H plus. So multiplying by 2 the reaction with your reaction at your cathode, then the net reaction, cell reaction. What is your cell reaction? Adding the both reaction, that is your Fe solid plus H plus aqueous gives your Fe2 plus aqueous plus half into 2, that is 1 H2. 2 cancel. Okay, this is your net cell reaction. So what is your N? N is your 2. N is your 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, if ratio of your ion is asked, then ratio is 1 is to 2. That means 1 mole of when 1 mole of iron is oxidized, 2 mole of H2 is reduced. Okay, so let's see the solution. E cell equal to E naught cell. So E naught cell of your E naught, how to calculate E naught cell? E cathode minus E anode. This is your E naught cell minus what? 0.059 divided by N log anode by cathode. What is your anode? Anode is your Fe2 plus concentration divided by cathode, that is your H plus concentration. Okay, so here anode is, cathode is your hydrogen electrode. Cathode is your hydrogen electrode whose potential is 0, minus anode is your iron electrode whose potential is 0. Minus 0.044 minus 0.059 divided by N. What is your N? N is 2 log concentration of Fe, that is your 0.001 divided by concentration of hydrogen is 1 m. Okay, to the power what? To the power hydrogen to the power 2, because the whole reaction is multiplied by 2, that means stoichiometric stoichiometric coefficient of your H plus is 2, so is raised to the power of 2. Okay, next minus into minus, that is 0.44 minus divided by 2, that is 0.0295 log, this is your 10 to the power minus 3, 0.44 minus 0.0259 into minus 3 log 10 is 1. Okay, 0.44 minus 3 multiply with minus 3, minus minus plus